that is what I'm going with. It's such a pretty color. Wow, this stuff's so glossy. It's a mirror.
It is a mirror.
Yo, you already know we back out here at Kingston Auto Styling as always, boys. Yo.
You can see yourself, bro.
I can. This is such a crazy color. So this side's like a dark bluish. This middle section's a little green. This got some gold flake in it. That's wow. Wow. It's been so long. This is the only remaining heart from the Accord. And it's coming off today, I guess. Oh, it doesn't want you to break its heart, dude. Stop it. Get some help. No, like maybe like wait for it to be warmer. Use a heat gun. Is it better? Oh, much better. See, look at that. It's like I hang out at a vinyl shop all day or some shit. Needs more heat. It is a beautiful day. I am taking the Evo up to Bellevue right now to link up with more Evos. So let's do it. Yo, this Interceptor with tabs and actual plates, that's kind of sick. The Kingston logo looks so good, man.
Oh yeah, this is sweet.
Oh man, I'm excited. We're about to go shoot this car. Let's go, baby! Let's start the Evo. Woohoo! That's some straight gas right there, bruh. Once again, I am filling her up. Gas is spendy now. Eva's looking good though. That carbon, ooh. Needs a clean, needs a little wash, but that'll happen soon. Going to Kingston's to get it detailed, so don't worry about that. It looks like the Talon is out today, and also Raphael just got the Evo back. Poor Evo. Ooh, what a beautiful day it is. Wow. Yo, got the Evo out. Got a couple more Evos out here actually. There's Thomas's Wheeler. But got this Evo. This is Brandon's. Oh my god. There's a Flareon in there. What? There's his Instagram. Nice wheels, nice wheels. Oh, hello, hello. And then Ruben, of course. And I've got this FRS2 BRZ, Scion TC. Yes. Had a quick meal at Applebee's here. Got the squad. Whoa!
Wait, where are we going?
I don't know, warehouses?
Oh yeah.
Yo. We're at the warehouses now. The twin Evos. The Evo 10. The BRZ. Woohoo! Goddamn. Uh-oh. Sheesh. God damn, these cars look good together. That's so sweet. And then we have the sneaky BRZ in the back there. Oh, we about to race, boys! There's a spot right around this corner, too. Yo. Oh, I'm the only one. No. He doesn't have his headlights on either. Gucci. Now we are following the cop. Alrighty, so the plan is to go over to that building right there, and then there's some nice lights over there. Yo, this is mad, guys. This is so sick. Good spot, good spot. Oh, the underglow. Fuck. Should I do underglow on my Evo, guys?
Right there's perfect.
Demonizer coming next, probably. Oh my god, guys, you're not ready for this. Got my handy knife. God, look at that color. That's insane. That's going on to Evo.